Hi guys, my name's Jeff. Welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back. But what I want to talk with you about is how to invest in an ETF. I've written a book actually about ETF investing. It's called Crush It with ETFs. Every month this year, I've been investing in the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. The ticker symbol is VTI. For me, this particular ETF makes sense. It invests in all the stocks in the US stock market, from large caps, which are the largest companies, right on through to mid caps and small caps. I buy my ETF shares through the Vanguard app, and VTI is real easy to trade. When you go to place an order to buy ETF shares, you can either buy a market order, which means you'll just buy it at whatever the ETF is trading at that moment. But you never know. There's sometimes a lot of volatility and the price can spike up or down. So I like to use what's called a limit order. So I'm going to show you how I purchase shares of an ETF. This is the Vanguard Brokerage Funds app, and I choose buy for buy ETFs, and I choose ETFs. And then you select the account that you want to make the trade in, and then you choose the transaction you want to make. I want to purchase shares of VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. And there's the price quote, 208.38. And so I want to buy 5 shares of it. So I type in the number of shares. And then the type of order, I want to make a limit order, and the limit order price is going to be $208.50. That will ensure that this executes today, because the price should be a little bit below that now. And so I'll just preview the order. It says before you proceed, you have to, I want it to happen today, so I'm hitting the day button because that's the duration of the trade. Now I'm going to preview this. 5 shares at 208.50, that looks correct. And then I will just hit, since everything's correct, I just check it. I just hit submit. It submits the order, and this should execute if the price, it executed, because the limit price is 208.50 and the current share price of this ETF looks to be 208.35. So I probably purchased my shares. It says I bought them at 208.40. So that is the price that this executed at. My limit price was 208.50, and as you can see, the brokerage order executed at 208.40. So now I own shares in this particular ETF. It was really easy to do. So I'm real glad that you stopped by to watch this video. As you can see, it's a very simple, straightforward process to buy shares of an ETF. Almost any brokerage that you sign up with, whether it's Vanguard or Fidelity or Schwab or any other one, will offer you the ability to buy ETF shares. And you just have to know how many you want to buy, which ETF you want to buy shares in, and if you want to set a limit price, you need to just know what the price is that you're willing to pay for those shares of the ETF. I'm really glad you stopped by to watch this video. If you have any questions or comments or ideas, please put them below. I'm really interested to hear what you guys think and any questions you might have. I've learned a lot about different ETFs. In writing that book, I looked at hundreds of different ETFs and learned all about them. If you haven't already, please like this video. That way other people out there will find out about it. This will get suggested to them. If you like this kind of content, then please consider subscribing and hit the little notification bell there, and then you will get a heads up every time I make a new video. I'm so glad you stopped by and spent some time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.